Hello and a very warm welcome to Steven Data. You may say, who the hell are you? Well, as the name of the channel suggests, I'm Steve, a good-looking, hot data scientist who is really interested in sharing his knowledge of anything with other people. But you might ask again, what is this channel about? Well, I'm about to explain it to you what this channel is about and what I'm going to do in it. So bear with me by the end of the video to get your answer. Throughout recent years, data science and machine learning have become a hot subject among people, and you are highly likely to see many people talk about it. But the problem is, what are these two exactly? If you have the same question, or if you already knew the answer to the question, but you want to become a data scientist in future, good for you, because Steve is here to help you with your problem. In a nutshell, data science is the science of dealing with a vast volume of data to find hidden patterns inside the data, derive meaningful information from it, and make business decisions with the help of it. But another question might arise: how a data scientist can accomplish all these tasks with just a bunch of data? Good question. In your answer, I'd like to say with the help of machine learning algorithms. But you may ask, what is machine learning and why you are making the answer to our question so complex? Well, take it easy and lay back, because as I said before, Steve is here. Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that can improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. And it's done. That was a simple definition of machine learning. And with this useful technology, data scientists can make important decisions in a company which can affect our world. Well, since now we have a relatively good definition of data science and machine learning, it's time to say what I am going to do in this channel. It's not too complicated. If I want to summarize it in just a sentence, I would say, make you familiar with data science and machine learning. But the important question is how. I will introduce you to data science and business buzzwords like big data, business analysis, data analytics, and so on. I will teach you the statistics necessary for a data scientist. I will teach you Python as well as R programming language with all their libraries which make data scientists' job much easier, like ggplot for R, pandas and numpy for Python. I will teach you how to deal with a large amount of data and work with databases with SQL. I will teach you how to visualize your data with some specific tools like Tableau, how to create a dashboard with them to track, analyze, and display your data in order to gain deeper insight into the overall well-being of an organization, a department, or even a specific process. I will teach you feature engineering techniques to make your data suitable for machine learning algorithms and lots of other things which I am very excited about, like neural network and deep learning. So if you are excited as I am, please consider subscribing to my channel and bear with me to deep dive into the world of data science to learn lots of things.